Okay, hi guys, this is your boy Kay from the Philippines, and today we are going to talk about Solana Paper Wallet. But before we go into what Solana Paper Wallet is, shout out to Blockchain Whisperer for going with this idea or sharing this idea with me, because he implemented an Ethereum version of the paper wallet, which I've implemented a similar thing as well for Solana with Solana cryptocurrency. Okay, so disclaimer before we go into the details: it's currently deployed on DevNet for exploration, and it's currently insecure and just for a proof of concept, just really for showing you how it works. And it's not for production and mainnet right now. But going forward, I'll work on it bit by bit as I go on with my life. So what is Paper Wallet? Before we go into the details, I'll show you a quick demo of how it works. So this is the dApp, and as you can see, I have Phantom over here. And you can see that with our Phantom, I have 3 Solana. So what I'm gonna do right now is I want to store this Solana in a paper wallet with a password. For this demo or for the level right now, we're just going with password, but in the future we can turn this into a seed phrase. But for now, let's say the password is password, and the confirmed password is password. So let's say I store my Solana. Okay, as you can see, it invokes a transaction for storing my Solana, and it debits my account with all of the Solana it has, which is 3 Sol, and then I approve. Then we wait for it to store. So after it stores my Solana somewhere, it should zero out my current wallet. Okay, now you can see we have a printable. Let's open the printable, and this is the paper wallet. So this is your password. I know that it's not perfect right now, but this is just a proof of concept. So you see that this is your password hint, and this is your hash, which is right now the hash is just the public key that you use to store your Solana. But in the future we can change that any way we like, but for now let's stick with this. So I copy the hash and I make a new wallet. Okay, so first I make a new wallet just to show you guys how it's not really connected to any wallet, right? So we have 0 Solana, and as of now at this level we still need a bit of Solana in order to get or redeem our Solana, right? So I'm gonna collect my new wallet, connecting my new wallet, and I'm gonna request an airdrop. And let's wait for the airdrop to come. And let's use that airdrop or DevNet Sol. So we have 1 DevNet Sol for the transaction fee. So with the hash that we taken from our printable over here, let's redeem our Solana into a new wallet with the password. Okay, so let's redeem our Solana. As you can see, it has another transaction which should credit our wallet with 2.99 around 3 Sol, which we've stored a while ago. So we approve that, and we wait for our Solana to transfer into our new wallet. Let's wait for a bit. Still trying to redeem. Now redeemed, your wallet must be credited by now. So let's check. It should be credited by now. So we expect around 4 Sol in our wallet. 4 or 3.9999 Sol. And there we go. In our new wallet, we have 3.9999 Sol. So that's the basic concept of a paper wallet. You have something tangible that you can keep and just have somewhere and store it, that you can also give to someone as a voucher and stuff like that. So let's go into the details of the paper wallet. So what does Paper Wallet solve, right? What am I aiming to solve with Paper Wallet? First, it decouples your Solana from your Keypair wallet. So Solana, or the Paper Wallet program, does this by using a program derived address, also known as a PDA. And the way it's done with PDAs in Solana is that they don't actually have a private key, because they are pushed off the curve with a bump. So essentially, nothing else can sign it because it doesn't have any private key. And the only way to interact with it is through the Paper Wallet program. So the only way you can redeem or get your stored Solana is if you know the password and the hash that was used when you stored it. That's it. So you can work on this as a voucher, which I'm actually working on another app that does that. You store our Solana in a wallet and generate vouchers we can give out to people if we want, that gives them Solana in their wallets. You get the concept. And the third thing I want to solve is that keep your funds in something tangible, hence Solana at your fingertips. So why this project? Why did I build this project? Well, first, really I just wanted to build on my Solana, vanilla Solana skills, nothing else, because it's nice to go back to how it's done without the framework anchor itself. Next is to encourage people to innovate beyond the typical use cases in Web3 right now. Like, I want to encourage people to build something that's beyond NFT collections, staking, and stuff like that. I want to encourage people to build something that they want to build, something they believe people can use. And third, well, building is fun. I mean, it's fun. So how it works as a proof of concept, right? So it's still insecure. So I haven't really introduced randomness, encryption, or hashing. But this is how it works as a high level view. For storing, we have a seed phrase, or in this case, the password that we inputted, and the public key that we take directly from your Phantom wallet. And we input that into the Paper Wallet program, which generates our printable with our seed phrase, hint, and our hash. Okay, so how that happens is, after we input both of this, the program will create another account, which is a PDA, and your Solana or LAMP ports are stored there. And the access keys will be given to you via a printable. So after storing, you probably have a piece of paper like this with the TX signature, a password hint, and your hash, which you will be using in redeeming. So when you redeem, you use the seed phrase that you should remember by your head, input it in the program with the hash that was outputted, in this case just the public key of the wallet you used to store. Then the program will ask the PDA to transfer the LAMP ports from the PDA to your new wallet, hence redeeming the Solana that you've stored in a Paper Wallet. So that's it. That's how it works. Easy, right? So actually, it's open source. If you guys want to contribute and check how I did this, you can check it out in that link. And that is all, guys. Sheesh.